does it make sense, my friends, that the lighter we eat, as well as we transition safely and harmoniously and like with wisdom and knowledge, the lighter we eat, the more of a light being we go back to, because we are souls, or which means sun, right? We are souls, we are spirits, we are beings of light. Now, do you think we're going to reconnect and re-establish ourselves in the vibration of a being of light if we're eating very heavy, earthly, dense material like animal products, like meat, bones, like secretions like dairy or eggs, super heavy, dense stuff that happens to putrefy and like attract, like, you know, not niceness of stuff, which I won't describe in this video. I think it makes a lot more sense if we eat more of a raw vegan diet, and then eventually go up the ladder and drop the nuts and the seeds, which are pretty dense plant matters, and then even drop the greens potentially, and eventually do water fasting safely with lots of education on that too, and eat like a fruit-based diet, and then, like, you know, we may even like lower back on stuff like avocados and durian, which are pretty heavy, dense fruits, and then over time, with intention and wisdom, gradually go back through the phases towards what some people call pranic living, and some people call it breatharian, but pranic living, breatharian / living on chi, living in subtle energy. So subtle energy being like the solar being, the sun being, a light being. I think it makes much more sense that while in the physical body, we will connect with that state much better through lighter eating, where less suffering of sentient beings like animals or humans is involved, and then even potentially drop the plants, where we're just left with fruits, and fruits are a give off for the purpose of spreading seeds and propagation. It's a symbiotic relation to eat fruits. And eventually we just eat, like I said, the waterier, juicier fruits like apples, cherries, mangoes, blueberries, pineapples, oranges. The list goes on. There's like so many different juicy fruits. Dragon fruit, chirimoya, you know, the list just literally goes on. And bananas and dates will be somewhere in the middle of the watery versus the dense fruits, or raw vegan food as well. They're in the middle, on the lighter side compared to overall general raw vegan, because they're still fruits, like bananas and dates in the middle. So we could transition up the levels in due time, when our consciousness is ready, when our mind and our emotions are ready. And then, like, I've heard lots of people who are ready to become initiated, or what's the word, like, to go to a pranic living workshop, aka breatharian retreat. They don't just become a breatharian, definitely not. I'm sure people who know this already, and other people who don't might be a bit confused or doubtful or skeptical. But some people have the option to start living on liquids. That's what it is. They could be like soups, cooked soups, but it's blended monoform stuff, sauce, soups, you know, that type of stuff, smoothies, almond milk, juice, kombucha, tea, water. A lot of these things have different density levels, so it's still liquids. So that's what, like, breatharian retreat helps people to start, and over time you lessen the density. So this whole video is all about density versus lightness versus density, the spectrum, the scale, where it's one stick and density is on one side of the stick, and on the exact same stick lightness is on the other side. So we move our way up through density and become more in a light being. But I've heard from people hosting these retreats that it's usually long-term people with a vegan diet for long-term are ready to be attracted to and find this stuff attractive, of continuing to raise their frequency, consciousness and vibration, to switching to more light fuel, light matter to ingest into their bodies and into their consciousness, for continuation and forward moving of their journey through consciousness stages, I suppose you could say, consciousness levels, so to speak. Of course, it's much more than just this. There's also the thoughts you entertain, the people, your emotions, your past trauma, past childhood wounds, shadow work, self-awareness, the practice of knowledge and wisdom of self-love. All of these are described and taught in my video courses. You can get two free courses as a gift, 2 video courses as a gift, including life, death, and the meaning and purpose of life, and spiritual practice made easy and simple and practical. And I also have 2 gift free books to you as well, which is Self-Awareness and Living in the Now, and Heal Yourself, Your Life, Relationship, Family, and Ancestral Line. All of those are free gifts you can receive from my school community. Check out the first pinned comment and check out my description just to click on the link and join the community of awakening and healing souls, stepping into their light power more and more every single day. So grab them, and for also $49 a month, you also can unlock an additional workshop per month. So instead of one as a free, I forgot to say that, you get 1 free workshop per month as a gift free membership, and as a subscriber membership you get 2 workshops which will be recorded for later viewers and for looking back if you missed it, as well as another book on self-love and what it is and how to do it perfectly or properly, and another 10 video courses, another 8 video courses should I say, or 9 video courses extra, including all about the spiritual, mental and emotional, but also about like physical healing, physical detox, fasting, and empowering our physical body temple. So all of that is on my community website. If anybody wants to unlock all the features that I'm showing and sharing as your mentor and teacher and guide, and I've been on this journey for 18 years, just private message me or direct message me and I can send you a payments link for anyone who's interested. Otherwise, definitely hop on board for all the 5 free gift things that I'm offering, because I love to help people. I love to give a lot for free, and the last 12 years I've also provided 2,500, maybe 2,600 YouTube videos now as a gift, as a free, as part of my inspiration and creativity. And I've been eating also a vegan and raw vegan diet, mostly pretty much all vegan, and very largely raw vegan for 18 years too. So I'm 42 years young now. People regularly guess I'm in my late 20s to early 30s, so I'm looking a lot younger than I am, following the vegan and raw vegan diet. People are really surprised to hear my age and most of the time, or at least a lot of the time. So yeah, I started when I was 24, the whole healing path and vegan and raw vegan all at the same time, my spiritual awakening. And now I'm the opposite switch number, from 24 to now I'm 42. So yeah, I hope this video helps and provided value. My name is Owen Fox. I'll be your teacher, guide and mentor, and I continue to update myself and continue to seek and learn from my own teachers, guides and mentors too. And humbly, just remain open and humble so I can receive, and I also pray and give thanks daily for my blessings and to continue to be of service, living my soul purpose here on earth. So a lot of my work is also relationship coaching and helping, and because we deserve the very best. And let 2024 be the best year of your life. You need to commit to yourself, you deserve it, but you need to make that choice and say yes to what uplifts you and nurtures you. And my community will be a really good place to start, where you have a whole lot of other like-minded souls and people in a safe and uplifting, positive environment. Okay, so I hope to see you on board. Grab all your free gifts, as I said, 2 free books, 2 free video courses, and a free monthly workshop on any of these topics that I've previously outlined in this video. So thank you for watching, giving me your time and attention. I hope to see you inside, and lots of love and blessings. Have a great day, and make 2024 a year the best year of our life.